Hello and welcome back to Modifix. Today we're going to be looking at the exhaust on the Cube. I went over a hump a little bit quick and the back box decided to break away from the flange because it was rusted. So now we've just got to reinstall the new exhaust. So I'll show you how you do that. It's pretty simple. It shouldn't be a long video. Let's get it sorted. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this is the back box. It's all a bit corroded, and then we have snapped right here. So these two bolts here will need a bit of penetration fluid on them, and then hopefully they'll come out, they'll crack off all right, and then time for a new back box, I think. There's the old exhaust. It's a little bit rotten, and as you can see here, the flange has snapped clean off. So great welding there, Nissan. But the flange was sort of rust welded onto the midsection, so I took that over to a mate of mine, and he got the old angle grinder out on a ramp and cut that away. So now we've just got to reinstall the new exhaust. Okay, I've just put the heat shield back on after cleaning up all under here, all under sealed and nice and fresh and juicy, as you can see. So I think that makes it time to put the lovely new shiny exhaust on. Okay, the new exhaust has been prepared by sliding on the rubber hangers. A bit of penetration fluid helps with that. The hardware you're going to need for this job is some M8 nuts and bolts. The nuts ideally need to be flanged with some spring washers and some normal M8 washers as well. And there's a little crush gasket that sits in there. Let me show you that now. Okay, that's a little crush gasket that needs to go on. So let's stick that on now. And that is now on. Just gotta grab the silencer now and put it on the hangers. There's a hanger here and there's one over there. Is on. The lube defo helps with the hangers, and the new hardware is in. Just gotta nip it up with a socket and spanner now. I'm just gonna nip it up with a ratchet and a spanner. Okay guys, the exhaust is all done. I think we'll call it a wrap here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. I will see you later. Bye for now.